Hello everybody, it's Braden here with the T Storm Chasers, just coming to you with a new weather video for today. Today is Friday, March 28th. I'm just quick making this video for you guys, just going over some of the current conditions tonight, and then also for the system that will be moving into our northern counties, bringing some snow to the north side of South Dakota, and then also some rain to us here in the Sioux Falls area, and then points south as well. So right now I'm just going to get into it real quick. I'm going to pull up our radar here. We've been seeing some storms out there towards Minnesota. Those are starting to develop, and then the storms here that will be moving through towards the Sioux Falls area are starting to develop just to the northern end, and we'll take a look at our future track as well. It's already showing these showing up on the future track, so we can kind of assume that most likely there's going to be some storms starting to form down here towards Yankton over the next few hours, and those storms will push to the east over the next few hours as well. So just going to minimize that here real quick. We're just going to jump right into it. This is our HRRR model. This is over the next 18 hours. This is just showing our temperatures. And one thing I really wanted to point out with this model run is just how quickly we decrease in temperatures over the next couple of hours. So this starts a few hours ago. Right now it should be 01Z. It's 22Z for this model run, so we're a couple hours behind on this model run, but this is the most current right now. So I'm just going to move this along. As you can see, this like U shape here, this is our little system, that's our outflow boundary, and then also you can see this dark or this lightning color right here in the middle here. Those are just our storms starting to pop off here, and then as you can see that temperature just drops, and this is at midnight here. We will be in the 40s, the mid 40s here in Sioux Falls. Points north could be in the 30s as well. Points south of Sioux Falls could still be in the 50s as those as the system starts to push through and just wipe that temperature out. But we're going to keep continuing on here. This is our HRRR model still. This is just our future track version for it. We're going to continue this. We're going to start it up actually, sorry about that. But as you can see, those storms start to form around 01Z. Perfect timing here. It is 01Z right now. It's showing these storms starting to form to the south, but I do believe these storms will fire up here within the next hour or so down here towards the south. But these storms to the north have had the spark to start up and start to move. The HRRR is just showing that those showers and storms will stay to the south of the Sioux Falls area, and maybe even develop some more later on towards about 2 a.m. And then rain starts to form as this system starts to push in and bring the south central part of South Dakota some snow, and then starting to bring us some rain. But we're going to move this to our future track with the North American model. This shows us the next 60 hours. The HRRR was just a more detailed model for you guys, but I'm just going to bring you the NAM 3 kilometers so that you guys can see over the next 60 hours what is going to happen. So the NAM showing those storms start to form as well. This one's a little bit off as well. This was the noon model run. I do not believe, yeah, we don't have a new model run for the North American model yet, but we're going to start this out. As you can see, that rain and then that snow mixture starts to push through, and tomorrow in the Sioux Falls area we will see steady rain throughout the day, and then to the north we'll see mix and snow throughout central and north eastern South Dakota. And as we continue this along, we might get some snow or some mix here in Sioux Falls. This is 10 o'clock Saturday night. All of that rain has transitioned into snow for northeastern South Dakota, but as you can see, kind of that boundary line right here, that red dotted line right there, that's kind of our boundary here, and that's where most of the snow is going to just stay to the north and to the west of the Sioux Falls area. So we are most likely going to miss out on any accumulating snow for this system, but steady snow will remain on the backside for the Rapid City areas and for western South Dakota as well. Now, we're just going to switch over to the total snowfall just to give you a quick rundown of the total snowfall we are expecting out of this system. Like I said yesterday, if you guys watched the video yesterday on the system, we expected these snowfall rates to change, and then also we expected the severe weather parameters to change as well, just to get a better picture of it, especially from the launch of the weather balloon over there in Aberdeen, just showing us our parameters for the day. But we're gonna start this off and move it along here. As you can see, that snow starts to accumulate in central South Dakota at around 4 o'clock there, between noon and 4 on Saturday, as that's when that snow is going to start accumulating in central and south central South Dakota. And as we continue that on, it'll start to move to the north and to the east, and kind of just fill in the areas here just to the north and to the west of Sioux Falls. And then also straight to the north of Sioux Falls over by Watertown here, just to the east of Watertown actually. Could get between 6 to 8 inches of snow, but we will also keep that just in the back of our minds, especially for tomorrow as we get a new model run, especially since this one is for 18Z, which is for noon. It is 7 o'clock now, so a lot can change for models in 7 hours. So when we get a new model run, I will make a snowfall graphic for you guys later today and post that up with updated snow totals for you guys. But for right now, this is pretty much what we are looking at for snow totals. So Pierre, 5 inches, almost 3 inches over there in Aberdeen, about 2 inches. That's a pretty sharp gradient here right by Watertown, but it could move to the west, or it could just be to the east as well. Just depends on where that snow starts to form and where it does fall over there towards Watertown. But Brookings, almost 4 inches, and then scattered places around here between 2 and 6 inches of snow. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you guys about is our ice totals. So over the next 60 hours or so, we are going to see that rapid temperature decrease, and then our temperatures will hover between 30 and 35 degrees in the places we will get snow. So that's also a reason why the snow totals for this event are going to be a little bit harder to predict, just because it could be above freezing and you're not getting any snow. So we're just gonna move this along here, start it out. When we start seeing that accumulating snow around 4 p.m., between the 2 and 4 p.m. mark, we will start to see possible ice accumulations, especially from the wintry mix that may fall in some of these areas. So it's looking like over the next 60 hours, some parts of just to the north of Brookings there could get 0.2 of an inch of ice. Just to the west of Huron there, a little patch there, also 0.2 of an inch. And then over by Winter, 0.2 of an inch as well. Spotty parts of like these little batches here between 0.1 of an inch and 0.2 of an inch. So that's another thing we're going to have to watch out for over the next 24 to 48 hours, especially with the timing of this storm and where it's going to be freezing. Temperature values are going to be a big factor in the system, especially with ice totals and snow totals. So we will continue watching that for you guys, and I will update you later tonight with a snow forecast and an ice forecast before the night is over, especially with the more updated models that we will get within the next hour or so. So that is all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Riley is back to you tomorrow, but I will post that update video or update post for you guys later tonight, just with snow totals and ice totals for you guys tonight. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great rest of your weekend,